I'm in Greece, Athens. Came yesterday. It's only about 3 hour and 40 minutes from London, Stansted Airport. So I had a pleasant journey. So I don't have. I'm not gonna go and complain about Ryanair services and stuff like that. Because I've seen a lot of graffitis around here. Look, loads of graffiti. I don't know whether it's art or it's vandalism. I'm not too sure, but a lot of graffitis on the walls. Loads. Welcome back to Greece, specifically in Athens. I'm right now at Athens, guys. Look at these streets of Athens. Man, look, ATMs there, shops, but dirty streets. But streets are pretty dirty, to be honest. Most of the shops are closed. Look, I'm pretty sure they're residency. People live there. But you don't need a map. No. Yeah. It's not that I know, but it will take us because this is one of the alleyways that we came in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at this. I'm gonna record this like area. But people say during the daytime it's not that dangerous, but it is dangerous during the nighttime. So be very careful walking around that night. Last night I was walking. Look, there's alleyways like this. People are walking about. Okay. Some sandwiches, bacons. I'm sure pretty sure one of these alleyways you have to go in. Huh? You can imagine how many people are eating outside. It's crazy. Hopefully, it doesn't take me up to the same uh, place that we came in. Kebab shop. They're very popular. Kebab shops are very popular. Jaipur Palace Indian restaurant. Look at that Indian restaurant there. I think Indian take over everything. I mean, the hotel that I'm living in, the Indian restaurants are like about 75% of the restaurants are Indian restaurants. Maybe you go this way. Maybe go this way. That's a restaurant. Look at this beautiful restaurant over here. Just want to capture that. Oh, that was? It's a restaurant?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I saw this fountain. I thought beautiful. I just want to come and have a look. All right, no worries. Thank you.
Okay.
Restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful restaurant. Look at that. Welcome to Greek streets, guys. This is Greek streets, specifically in Athens. I think, look, this graffiti is like every single places you find these graffitis. Doors, walls, pretty much abandoned buildings. But I don't know whether it's their tradition or It's what do you call? Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? It's a tradition or it's just vandalism. I don't know, but I can see that in every single walls. Look, beautiful arch. Oh, it's beautiful, obviously. But look, this is not. It's in UK. This is classed as a vandalism, vandalizing things. This is where she was sleeping. No? Look at this. I think you call this a vandalizing properties. Look at that. That's a maybe I street over there. Yeah. Welcome to Greece, specifically in Athens. So what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna do something that I've never done in my life before, guys. I think every country that we go to, we book what do you call it, a 5-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 4-star hotels. We'll repeat the hotels. But this time I'm in Greece. I'm gonna do something that I've never done it before. I'm gonna do something I've never done before. So hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know what I'm gonna go and do tonight. Yeah, cinema. Look, I know these buildings are abandoned. Look, I think most of the buildings are abandoned. Look, why? Pork, look, sausage. Hello. Wow, man. I think not a single country I've been in and not heard about Indian language. Crazy. Indian Chinese like ruling the world. Maybe in about 5-10 years time. Look at this oranges. I don't know whether it's edible. I want to pick one and test it. But look, it's like these oranges are all over the street. Yeah, it's called vandalism in UK though. You get fined. But here, it's like a hut. There's the streets over here. And like even on the pole and everywhere, it's like graffitis. Looks like most of the buildings are old and also be abandoned. I think they're abandoned. I don't know if people live there, but I'm surprised. Even if they're living in this kind of building, so I will question myself, how are they living? Their living status will be like, it's cleaning it. Go over there. Huh? Yeah, that's the shop we asked him. That's the guy we asked about the orange. Huh? Yeah. Look. You know, that's the guy we asked about it. Look at it. As I said, look. I'm pretty sure they're oranges. Huh? Yeah, it's guy was here somewhere. Yeah, we're coming down to end of this video. As I said, walking is very tired. Making really, really tired. So dusty. And I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna end this video. And as I said, I'll see you guys tonight. Something that I've never done in my life, I'm gonna do tonight. Peace, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Yesterday I was in Athens, and today I came to Crete, called Hania. I'm sure you look at this beautiful resort. We're going to be here for about 4 or 5 days. There's some castles over there as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm pretty sure that that is snow. That's definitely ice. This is the pool. Oh, that's good. Crete hotel. That's the hotel, I think. And this is the gym, I think. Go grab something to eat. Didn't have much of a selection, so chicken